Hello everyone. So let's continue with the normal forms. Normal forms. So this is one of the important topics because in most of exam they ask the question from normal forms, right? So what is normal forms? For normal forms, we can say these are the rules to identify the degree of redundancy. These are rules to identify the degree of redundancy. To identify the degree of redundancy, or we can say duplicacy, right? Next point, it it eliminates the eliminates it eliminates or reduce the redundancy or redundancy reduce the redundancy by proper decomposition, by proper decomposition by proper decomposition, right? It is useful for eliminating the or reducing the redundancy by applying the proper decomposition. Next thing, what are the reason for redundancy? Reason for redundancy. So reason for redundancy, we can say one is the non-trivial functional dependency. Non-trivial functional dependency. For example, it is x goes to y. Non-trivial functional dependency. Another one is non-trivial multi-valued dependency. Non-trivial multi-valued dependency, that is represented by x, then 2 times arrow and y, right? So here x is determining the y, but 2 times arrow means this is what multi-valued dependency. So till this part, is it clear to all? बढ़िया बढ़िया। हम्म? नहीं, दिन में दिन में गए थे। अच्छा, मैं जाऊंगा। हाँ हाँ, देखता हूँ। क्लास चल रही है एक बार, है ना? हाँ हाँ हाँ, बनाओ बनाओ खाना 3 का। Okay, fine. Let's continue. Now, what are the normal forms? So, normal forms, we can say 1NF, that is first normal form. 2NF, second normal form, 3NF, that is third normal form, and BCNF, BCNF, that is Bayes code normal form. And next is the fourth NF. 4NF, that is fourth normal form. 4NF means fourth normal form. Okay, so if we talk about these normal forms, here there will be the single valued functional dependency. Single valued functional dependency, right? So there will be the single valued functional dependency like x goes to y. What about next thing? Next thing, in case of BCNF, there will be the 0% redundancy, right? So 0% redundancy, for single valued, for single valued. For single valued dependency, right? And for multi-valued dependency, there may be redundancy. Right? For multi-valued, there may be redundancy. And if we talk about the fourth normal form, here we can say 0% redundancy, for multi-valued functional dependency. 0% redundancy for multi-valued dependency, राइट 0% रिडंडेंसी तक जा सकती है. देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया था, फेल कर गई थी. अगर मल्टी वैल्यूड डिपेंडेंसी होगी तो यहाँ पे रिडंडेंसी हो सकती है, राइट. बट इन दिस केस there is no redundancy, or we can say 0% redundancy in case of multi-valued also. Okay, so these points are clear to all. Okay, fine. So here there will be the fourth normal form, 4NF. Here it is BCNF. Here it is 3NF. Here it is 2NF. And here it is 1NF. Now let's understand that if it is fourth NF, it means it is also BCNF, it is also 3NF, it is also 2NF and it is also 1NF. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि कोई भी फोर्थ नॉर्मल फॉर्म में अगर है तो वो BCNF में भी होगा, 3NF में भी होगा, सेकेंड NF में भी होगा और 1NF में भी होगा, right? What about this one? If someone is standing here, it means that is BCNF but need not be fourth NF, right? तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि it is BCNF but need not be fourth NF. And another thing, if someone is in fourth BCNF, someone is in BCNF, it means it is also in 3NF, it is also in 2NF, it is also in 1NF, right? And what about next? Next is if someone is standing here in 3NF, if it is 3NF, it need not be BCNF and fourth normal form, right? It need not be BCNF and fourth normal form. But if it is 3NF, it is third normal form, then definitely it is second normal form also. Also it is 1NF, right? And so on. For this one, if it is second NF, it need not be BCNF, it need not be 3NF, BCNF and fourth NF. But if it is second normal form, it will be definitely first normal form. Or we can say to be in second normal form, it must be in first normal form, right? So this is what the concept. Is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Okay, next thing, if we go from fourth normal form to first normal form, right? फोर्थ से फर्स्ट की तरफ अगर जाएंगे तो इस केस में क्या होगा? इन दिस केस इट विल increase the expressive power, increase expressive power. Increase expressive power means it will satisfy the more number of functional dependencies, right? It will satisfy the more functional dependencies. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि कोई फोर्थ नॉर्मल फॉर्म में है तो वो कम फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसीज को सेटिस्फाई करेगा, बट अगर फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म की तरफ जा रहे हैं मतलब बीसीएनएफ में उससे ज्यादा को सेटिस्फाई करेगा, 3एनएफ में उससे भी ज्यादा को, और सबसे ज्यादा जो सेटिस्फाई करेगा वो 1एनएफ को सेटिस्फाई करेगा। मतलब ऑलमोस्ट जितने भी फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसीज होंगे वो सभी किसमें होते हैं? दे ऑल आर इन 1एनएफ। जितने भी जितने भी जो फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी होंगे वो किस में होते हैं? 1एनएफ में होते हैं, सिवाय किसके? जो आपके मल्टी वैल्यूड फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी है, राइट? मल्टी वैल्यूड फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी नहीं होनी चाहिए। अगर मल्टी वैल्यूड नहीं है और सिंगल वैल्यूड है तो कोई भी सिंगल वैल्यूड होगी वो किस में होगी? फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म में डेफिनेटली होगी। ओके, तो ये इंक्रीज द एक्सप्रेसिव पावर, समझ आया? तो यहाँ से फोर्थ से BC एनफ, 3 एनफ, 2 एनफ और 1 एनफ इसकी तरफ जाएंगे तो क्या होगी, एक्सप्रेसिव पावर यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हो जाएगी। इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? Okay, fine. And if we go from first normal form to fourth normal form, means first से fourth की तरफ जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, in this case it will increase the restriction, increase restrictions। तो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस यहाँ पे क्या होगी, इंक्रीज हो जाएगी। यानी कि फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म में सबसे कम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होती है, सेकंड में उससे ज्यादा होती है, थर्ड नॉर्मल फॉर्म में और ज्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होती है, BCNF में उससे ज्यादा, और फोर्थ नॉर्मल फॉर्म में सबसे ज्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होती हैं, राइट। तो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस क्या होगी, इंक्रीज होगी, फर्स्ट से फोर्थ नॉर्मल फॉर्म की तरफ जाएंगे, राइट। तो ये वाला पॉइंट भी समझ आ गया, इंक्रीज द रिस्ट्रिक्शंस। Okay, fine. Now, first normal form. So, if we talk about first normal form, so no multi-valued attribute is allowed. No multi-valued attribute is allowed. Right? So, multi-valued attribute means, assume that this is the relation, and this relation is assumed student. So, here SID, SName, SID, SName and phone number. SID, SName and phone number is given, right? So SID, assume it is S1, and name is, assume it is A, and phone number that can be two. One is 98, another one assume 99. These are the two phone number. A person that can have more than one phone number or mobile number, right? So this is what multi-valued attribute. This attribute is what multi-valued attribute, which is not allowed in case of first normal form, right? Which is not allowed in case of first normal form. Second thing, at first normal form, there is more degree of redundancy. More degree of redundancy मतलब डुप्लीकेसी ज्यादा रहेगी. Right? At a first normal form, or in the first normal form, there is a more degree of redundancy. Next point, second normal form onward, second enough no, second normal form onward, second normal form onward, it eliminates second normal form onward, it eliminates the redundancy but to be in second normal form, to be in second normal form, it should be in first normal form. It should be in first normal form. Okay, second normal form onward, it will eliminate the redundancy, but to be in second normal form, it should be in first normal form. सेकंड में होने के लिए क्या होना पड़ेगा, पहले फर्स्ट नॉर्मल फॉर्म होना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद ही सेकंड नॉर्मल फॉर्म हो सकती है. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? Okay, fine. Now next one is functional dependencies which forms the redundancy. Functional dependencies which forms redundancy. Functional dependencies which forms redundancy. So case 1, that proper subset of candidate key. Proper subset of candidate key X means candidate key is X, right? Proper subset of candidate key X that determine non-prime attribute Y. Non-prime attribute Y. Right? That determine the non-prime attribute Y. In that case, we'll say that there will be the redundancy, right? So in this case, there will be the redundancy, and this case is also known as partial dependency, right? So this case is what? Partial dependency. We'll understand the partial dependency in better way, right? So अभी के लिए इतना ही. Proper subset of candidate key that determine the non-prime attribute y, then there will be the partial dependency. What about the next is, that is the case number 2. So case number 2 is what? A non-prime attribute x, non-prime attribute x that determine the non-prime attribute y, that determines the non-prime attribute y. Right? In that case, there will be the redundancy, right? And what about the next case number 3? Case number 3, proper subset of candidate key x. Proper subset of candidate key x proper subset of candidate key x that determine the proper subset of other candidate key y. Proper subset of other candidate key y. Proper subset of other candidate key y. This is what the case number 3, right? तो अगर ये 3 केस एग्जिस्ट करेंगे, इसका मतलब क्या होगा? देयर विल बी द redundancy. Okay, so is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Now here this is the case number 1. Here case number 2. Here case number okay.